Welcome back, guys. This is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about MSBI. This is a hot topic in the market if you are going for the BI opportunity or BI job. So MSBI stands for Microsoft Business Intelligence. So Microsoft has provided one business intelligence suite. So in short form, people say it's a MSBI. Perfectly fine. So what exactly MSBI have? So Microsoft understood there should be some kind of BI tool where people can import their data, people can load their data into system. Also, people can do reporting, and people can also do some OLAP activity. For that, Microsoft has given a business intelligence tool, and people say it's a MSBI. In MSBI, basically we have three parts. The first part is called as the SSRS. Another part is SSAS. Third part is SSAS. Sequence doesn't matter. You can say first part SSAS, likewise SSIS. So these are the three important components of MSBI, and we will see practically how to create this thing. So if you are having a knowledge of a SQL Server, and if you are having the knowledge of reporting services, or if you are having a knowledge of analysis services, or you are having a knowledge of integration services, then you have a very good opportunity in the market. You get a good job very easily. Perfectly fine. So SSRS stands for SQL Server Reporting Services. Next, SSAS, SQL Server. It stands for SSAS stands for SQL Server Analysis Services. Third is SSIS, which stands for SQL Server Integration Services. Integration services. So these are the important services which are part of MSBI suite. And if you want to be a MSBI developer, you can either learn only SSRS, that's fine. If you don't want to go for the ETL activity or the analysis or OLAP part, then don't worry. So SSRS is used for creating the reports, designing the report to show data to business user or the executive. Then analysis services is one step ahead of normal data warehouse. In SSAS, we need to work with the OLAP model. So there we have a cube dimensions, measures or fact, right? These are things we need to understand. And when we go for SSIS, then we need to learn about ETL. So in ETL, we need to have a source, then transforming data, then target, right? Because when we work in a big company, we have a data from the multiple sources. Like we do have a data in the SQL Server, we do have a data in the Oracle database, we do have a data in Postgres, or we do have data in MySQL or Excel. So from those multiple sources, we need to combine data, and we need to place the data into one centralized place, right? So for that, we need to perform a lot of transformation, because multiple issues, data type and all those conversion issues we need to have, and all those things we need to convert, and finally we need to place into one part. That part is called as the extract, transform and load. So we'll talk about that, and coming videos we are going to talk about all those things. So the important question basically, if you are not good in SSIS because you tried, but you think it's very difficult, so leave it. In sometime sometimes people found SSAS are quite difficult because we need to learn MDX, because MDX is like a SQL kind of language. Because for querying the data from the queue, you need to learn a language called as the MDX. Then that is a different part. And if we are going for the SSRS, we need to learn the reporting design. And you feel that SSRS is quite easy, then just go with SSRS plus SQL Server. You will get very good opportunity in the market. And if you think that only SSIS is easy, okay, just go with SSIS and SQL Server. Don't go for the SSRS. But if you think that SSRS and SSIS plus SQL Server is good, then you have a very good opportunity as compared to having a knowledge of one tool. And sometimes people feel that all these three modules are very easy, then you can go for all three modules with SQL Server. So now you will have the four skill basically: SQL Server, then SSRS, then SSAS, then SSIS. So basically you are a perfect BI developer who can query the data, who can design the report, who can make some analysis, who can make the dimension cube, and he can do OLAP activity. You are the one who can move the data from multiple sources to a single source. You can perform the transformation, and you can do the all different kind of the ETL activity. So basically you are a package of a business intelligence developer along with the database developer. Hope you guys understood this introductory video. From the next video onward, I am not going to talk much about theory. I will directly jump into the practical part. If you guys like our video, please don't share. I won't say like that. Please share with your subscriber, so we'll get a we'll reach to a lot of people and they will get benefited of that. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.